Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of High Ride Garage. Paolo here. Fantastic to have you back on the channel. So today we are going to take a look at a spectacular new helmet, the story behind the rider and the feature of the helmet. But before we go into it, please give it a thumb up, subscribe, comment, like and share, and let's go into it. So here we have it, guys. This is in spectacular condition. It's a Suomi helmet. This is from the legacy of the emperor. You can see the Roman warrior here, and of course we are talking about Max Biaggi. So here is a helmet that comes from the Biaggi design. It's an XL in size, 61-62, 1450, so it's quite light. So of course this is one of the helmets that has been racing in MotoGP World Superbike. Suomi produces really fantastic helmets and fantastic designs, and in this case Max Biaggi, he has been quite successful on this one. As we know, Max Biaggi won 4 world championships on 250cc on the Aprilia, and then he went to win several races and fantastic battles with Valentino Rossi in MotoGP, and he jumped from the Yamaha, where he actually won the very first race at the Suzuka track on his debut year, so which was fantastic. And then he went to the Repsol Honda, the Camel Honda. So he actually changed top motorbikes. Unfortunately, he was the runner-up, so he never really made it to the very top, because of Valentino Rossi actually dominating those years. And then he went to World Superbike, where he won 2 titles on the Aprilia RSB4. So here is a fantastic helmet, guys. You can have this helmet by subscribing to the channel. Give it a thumb up, subscribe, comment and share, and if you are the lucky winner in one of the next episodes, once we reach the 500 subscribers, we're gonna draw, and one of you might get to win the chance to win this helmet or any other helmet. So please guys, stay tuned, subscribe, comment, share the channel with your friends, and let me know which one you think, and then we're gonna do a draw, and maybe you're gonna be a lucky winner. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe. Bye bye.